what do you think are the benefits of receiving your care in this way over video conference?
I think I can access it from anywhere. I can access it from home. So at the moment I'm working at home, so I can log on, have my therapy session with you, and then go straight back to work within a couple of minutes after. So it saves quite a lot of time. It saves me travelling sort of an hour journey to have a therapy session, and I have a coffee at the same time, which is nice.
And what difference has being able to receive care during COVID-19 had?
I think with OCD and COVID, the two don't go very well together. So I think having therapy this way has prevented what I think could have been a major relapse for me. It's helped me manage my symptoms so I can remain working from home and gradually getting back out into the community. I can do it from the comfort of my own home, so that lowers anxiety about going out, which I had, particularly at the start of COVID. I think I probably would have avoided coming altogether if I had to come in and see somebody, so it's enabled me to carry on working on my goals and keep functioning really.